Good evening. Today I had a very nice live chat with Miguel Martins from the winery Vallegre, and this winery is located in a very lovely place. It's located in the Douro Valley, where I have been already many times with my clients. So when we are discovering the most fascinating wine regions in the world, of course, the Porto Douro region is one of them. And the Douro region is also part of the UNESCO World Heritage, and it is a lovely place. And from this place, this wine is coming. We were talking a little bit about the climate, about the soil, and the vineyard behind this wine, which is called Reserva Especial 2015 Vinhas Old Wines in English. And these wines are planted 80 to 90 years ago, and it's amazing. So it's a little bit similar to the old vineyards in Vienna region, where you had many different grapes. So Touriga Nacional, Touriga Franca, Tintoreries, and so many different grape varieties that you cannot say this is a typical Touriga Nacional. But of course, Touriga Nacional is main part of this wine. And we had a lovely talk, and this wine is amazing. It is in the nose, the pure aromas of cassis, of blackberries, of raspberries, so the forest fruits, but also you have a slightly oaky note, you have chocolate, you have licorice. And when you taste this wine, it's amazing. You have a very velvet entrance in the palate. You have then the fruits, you have again the chocolate, bitter chocolate, dark chocolate, just a little bit of coffee, and really you have a full aromas in the mouth, so it's full body wine. And this wine is still young, so at the end you have still the tannins that are already round, but you still feel them. So you can store this wine additionally 5, 10, 15 years in the cellar. So, and what would you recommend to this wine? I was asked today. I would recommend actually something red meat, so something like game, like wild boar, something which is very strong. But however, in our family we had today the pizza, and also with the pizza it's going well. So, but the recommendation would be the red meat, the first recommendation. So whenever you have questions about wines, about locations, about how to pair wine and food, give me a call.